Open the door to success at the Daniels College of Business. Nestled at the base of the Rockies, Daniels is in the heart of Denver and has long been a model for ethical business education. Our instructors are experts in their fields, nationally recognized for their teaching and research. Small class sizes create a customizable learning experience. At Daniels, we don't just teach theory. We incorporate the future of industry into our teaching with a robust roster of adjunct faculty who split their days between the boardroom and the classroom. Most programs provide the opportunity for travel across the globe. Learn how business is done in your industry and in a different culture. Over the last century, we've created an ecosystem of business excellence. The Daniels Alumni Network has 40,000 members ready to offer professional mentoring, insights, and networking opportunities. And it all happens here in the Mile High City, where there's a dynamic blend of business, innovation, and world-class outdoor activities. Your journey begins with us, but the destination is up to you. The Daniels College of Business. Start here. Go anywhere.